know what PEX is, you know it's I'm not going to say new, but newer way to supply water to your house. And our garden is way up here on the hill past the hen house. So I got tired of stretching a hose out all the way up there for Kim to water. So I bought this roll of PEX, and what I've been told is that it'll expand 10 times its size. That's quite a bit. Anyhow, what I did, it's just probably 6 inches underground. Right here, that's just a little quarter turn valve so that I can, in the wintertime, open that up and drain it. Anyhow, with a couple of tools that you might have to make on your own or find something that's tapered, I used this brush. I believe that's actually for like using in a parts washer. Anyhow, and I put it in the end of the PEX. This was my trowel piece that I did up at the barn, and just took my torch, heated it slowly, because a garden hose fitting like that will not fit inside on the inside diameter of PEX. So I took this tapered handle, put it in there, heated evenly around it, and slowly worked that out. And the next hard part is you've got this little bonnet that is just totally in the way, and it's just hard to use, and forcing this to fit that inside diameter. So I got on my lathe and I turned me a little push tool, made it a little more narrow through here just so I have a better hand grip, and a little wider just to push against. And I put this right on the inside of that, and I had total control on setting that ribbed shaft into the PEX. It opened it up wider than the PEX clamp, so I'm just having to use a regular hose clamp on this. And then it goes on to this manifold off the water spigot, one of many things, and I hook it up, and I have water now going to the garden. I know I move my phone around a lot. As soon as I finish this, I'll go up there and show you how it's set up there. It's really windy up here. Trying to kind of stay behind the mule to knock the wind down. There goes Kim. She got away before I could get the camera turned around. So anyhow, this is another drain right here, just like the one I showed you down at the house. PEX comes up here, and just because of the difficulty of going from the threaded or the inside diameter of this with a garden hose, it was easier to come in here and put this elbow in with PEX and run it through this 4x4 post and add a spigot. So now she can have multiple watering hoses up here off of this one. And like I say, you just drain it down in the wintertime. No hoses to get in the way. When you're mowing, no hoses to roll up. You Don't have to worry about getting numerous feet deep in order to have easy access to water. Long term way to get water where you need to. So that's my Runaway short for today. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you later.